house is on the end of a very quiet cul-de-sac. No one would even know you stopped by. And of course I would compensate you.
Lola.